Hi everyone, welcome back to another spooktacular episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and if you haven't guessed already, I am doing a Halloween themed video for you all today. I wanted to share some very quick and easy Halloween treats that you can make this Thursday, and they're easy enough to make with your kids. So if you guys love Halloween, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. Before we get started with the recipes, I wanted to remind you that my giveaway is ending really soon. I am ending at the end of October, and then hopefully I will announce the winner on my Instagram. So make sure that you are following me on Life Tastefully Balanced on Instagram. I'll have all the information on the giveaway in the description box below. And yeah, I'll even put the link to the video where I show you the tool and what I love making with it. So if you guys want to enter, do make sure and do that before the end of the month. All right, now let's move on to the first spooky treat. All right, so the first Halloween treat that I'm sharing with you are eyeballs made with Oreos. So for this, you're gonna need Oreos, of course, a little bit of this glitter icing, blue and green, M&Ms, and some red dye with a paintbrush. That's it. It's a really easy recipe. So all you do is you take apart the Oreo, making sure all the cream stays on one side, and then save the other side for later because we are going to make use of it. So next, you just take your blue and green icing and put a little dot of it right in the middle. On top of that, you put your M&Ms. I'm just using brown. And then now with your red food coloring and the paintbrush, you just paint little veins on your eye. And that is it. It's really easy and it looks so cute. All right, for the next spooky treat, we are making some mummies made out of Nutter Butter cookies. These are really easy. All you do is melt some white chocolate, take your Nutter Butter cookies, dip it in that white chocolate, and then lay it on a mat. I have a Silpat mat so that it doesn't stick. And then you just take your fork and go back and forth, creating little lines across the Nutter Butter cookies. This kind of gives it that wrapping effect, like a mummy. And then at the end, you just add these little eyeballs. Now you can just use some black icing if you had it, but since I had these little eyeballs, I wanted to use that. And that's it. Pop it in the fridge, let it harden, and you are done. These are so incredibly cute and take no time at all. All right, next up, I've got these cute pumpkins made out of Oreos. So the first thing I did was melt some orange candy melts. And I like to use candy melts when I'm doing these kind of cute little decoration type of things because they are so easy to melt. And if they do harden, you just pop them back in the microwave or on a double broiler and just melt them right back. With regular chocolate chips, it's a little bit harder. You do have to work a little bit faster, but you know, I've used that too. I just had candy melt, so I decided to use those instead this time. So you just take an Oreo, dip it in the candy melt, and then I did some up and down lines, again the same kind of effect as the mummy to make it look more like a pumpkin. And then I added some M&Ms and a pretzel stick. Now the M&Ms I cut in half so that they kind of look like leaves, but that's really it. I let it again harden in the fridge, and then you're ready to decorate your table on Halloween with these cute little pumpkins. All right, and the last spooky treat is my favorite. It's cute and I thought it came out perfect. So what you're gonna do is take those half of the Oreo cookie that does not have the cream, and you're going to split them in half, and then you have those eyes again. If you wanna use icing, you can, but it's up to you. What I do is melt some regular chocolate, and then I take my Oreo halves, dip it in that chocolate, and create kind of like wings. Next, I just take the the Nutter Butter cookie, dip it again in chocolate, and lay it right over our Oreo cookies that are halved, just to make them look like it's a bat that's flying. So now for the face, I use those eyes that you can find at the store, and then for the mouth and fangs, I just use sprinkles. Now you do have to work a little bit closely. What I did was take a little toothpick and move around the sprinkles just to give it kind of the mouth and fang shape. But you know, it's cute regardless. These are such easy, cute ideas that I think the imperfection look is what I love about it. I think it's cute, it's perfect for a Halloween treat that you're going to have, or a Halloween party that you may have. And yeah, I love doing these kinds of things and decorating my dessert table if I'm hosting. All right, there you guys go. That is my easy Halloween treats for 2019. This is a video that I do every year, so of course I had to do one for this year. If you guys haven't already, please do enter my giveaway. You have until the end of October. I'll put all of the rules for the giveaway in the description box below. Just remember to enter, and good luck. So if you guys love Halloween type videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.